Good morning, children. I think so. We have completed till here. The Strange Museum I have told you to read. And one more thing about your exams. From page number 4 to page number 31, it's coming. Okay. From page to page 31. 4 to page 31 and 39 and 40 also coming. Okay. So this 39 and 40. They are what, as a revision exercises, whatever you have read till here on page number 38, they are here. Okay, so this page number 39 and 40 you do by your own. Whatever you have read earlier, the same thing it's asked only. Sum up, you can say summary, you can say revision it is. Okay, so this you do by your own. And here all these pages after, see, Strange Museum, I think I have told you, and top 10 wonders you read, strange currency name. Wherever we have to write, that I will be telling. 21, 22, 23 pages I will tell, and after that 24 page you read by your own. 27, 28, 29, 30 till 31 I think so it's coming na? So till 31 it's coming, so read by your own. Okay, and the thing which you have to write, I am telling that thing. Okay, so 21, 22 and 23 will be doing right now, and rest so we have done, and the last revision one you can do by your own. Okay, now on page number 21, beautiful gardens of the world. So see here, the first figure is here, non-nose tropical botanical garden, Pattaya, Thailand. Okay, C1 first, C. Second is D, Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden, Cape Town, South Africa. Second is D. Third, E, Villa d'Este, Tivoli, Italy. Third is E. Fourth is F, Garden of Versailles, France. So fourth is F. Fifth is G, that is Q, Royal Botanic Garden, Q Kingdom, Q United Kingdom. Fifth is G. Okay. Sixth is H. H is Kenrokuen Garden, Kanazawa, Japan. Okay. Seventh is B, Keukenhof Garden, Liesel. Okay. Seventh is B. Eighth is A, Brooklyn Botanic Garden, New York, New York. Eighth is A. Ninth is I, Summer Place Garden in Beijing, China. So again, first C, second D, third E, fourth F, fifth G, sixth H, seventh B, eighth A, ninth I. Now here famous historical personalities. Okay, so first one is Martin Luther King Jr. So first one, Martin Luther King. In the blocks you write 1, 2. Okay, so in front of Martin Luther you write 1. Second is Ho Chi Minh. The second one, this. Third one, Otto von Bismarck. Third one, Otto von Bismarck, the first one. Fourth one, Rosa Luxemburg. Fourth one, Rosa Luxemburg. Fifth one, Rosa Parks. Sixth, Napoleon Bonaparte. Seventh, Karl Marx. Eighth, Giuseppe Garibaldi. 9, Che Guevara. Okay, again telling you like this I will be telling. Okay, here 3, 4, 9, 5, 7, 2, 1, 6, 8. Clear? 3, 4, 9, 5, 7, 2, 1, 6, 8. Clear, children? Now the royalties today. Modern way of governance and development has diminished the importance of royal rules. However, there are still some countries in the world where royalties are in power. Okay, so see here, the first one is Hassan Bolka. It's D. First one is D. Okay. Second is E. Mswati. Third. Okay. Second is E. Third is F. Maha Vajira Longhorn. Okay. Third is F. Fourth is G. So much big name. Jigme Kesar Namgyal Wangchuck. Okay. Fourth is G. Fifth is A. Albert II. Sixth is H. H is Hamd bin Isla al Khalifa. Then seventh is B. Hans Adam II. And third, last one, eighth is C. It's Qaboos bin Said al Said. Okay, so again telling you, first is D, second E, third F, fourth G, fifth A, sixth H, seventh B, eighth C. Okay, so now we have completed. After this, all this 24, 25, read by your own, prepare for your examinations well. Okay, till 31 page, and then stop, check and go 39 and 40 pages, and these 2 pages, whatever you have read, it's from 4 to 38 page. It's not that all the answers you will be getting till 31. 1 or 2 whatever will be left, so leave that, and whatever you have left, after learning or revise it. Okay, as a test type, you revise it and check it, your answers. Okay, and 1 or 2 answers might not be coming because it's given till page 38 and you are reading till page number 31 only. Okay, then thank you children, and all the best for your exams.